Hi there and welcome back. In the previous video, we talked about candlestick charts and about hammer and hanging man patterns. If you haven't watched it yet, you can click on the link above to check it out. Today's topic is a brief explanation of the engulfing pattern, and here are the different sections on this video. First, we're going to talk about what is engulfing pattern and how to recognize it. Then we're going to talk about how to find the most powerful engulfing setups. And third, how to combine it with other strategies. And next are products that help you become fully efficient in the market. And at last, the conclusion. Feel free to skip to any of these sections, but I recommend you to watch the video from the beginning for a complete understanding. So let's begin. This candlestick pattern is composed of two candles. The larger engulfing candles are, the more significant they become. In this picture, you can see a downtrend engulfing pattern. These conditions should be met before we consider these two candles as an engulfing pattern. First, the trend should be bullish. Second, the left candle must be bearish and the right candle must be bullish. Third, the real body of the right candle must completely engulf the real body of the left candle. Until this point, we have a standard engulfing pattern. All these details are exactly reversed for an upward engulfing pattern. Certain conditions increase the strength and the reliability of engulfing setups. First, the bodies of these two candles must be significantly bigger than previous ones, meaning that these two candles should be among the top 10% largest candles in last 100 candles. More than 75% of candles should be the real body, not wick. This shows strong institutional participation, and it's a real movement, not a noise. Third, the low of these two candles should be the lowest price within the last 5 to 10 candles. When these conditions are aligned, engulfing signals will get far more reliable. So let's answer to this question, that how we can combine engulfing pattern with our strategy. Candlestick patterns are not a complete trading system, but they can be a powerful part of your trading strategy. For example, if you use ICT concept and you enter after a change of character plus a pullback, you can add an engulfing confirmation to increase the probability and chance of winning. In any strategy you use, you can apply engulfing pattern as an entry filter, which gives you safer and more confident entry conditions. Now let's briefly talk about our products that will help you to be more efficient in the market. Here is my candlestick pattern indicator, which helps you to easily recognize hammer, hanging man, and engulfings on the chart. You can modify the swing number to filter stronger patterns. The higher the swing is, you will find more reliable patterns. Our second product is TradeX System and Trade Manager. It's one of the most useful products on MQ5 website. Here you can see the features are available so far. This project is growing and improving day by day. So if you want to download any of these products, you can click on the first link to download the indicator, and you can click on the second link in the description to see all of our products. If you don't know how to purchase a product from MQ5 website, you can watch the tutorial video linked above. So now we understand what the engulfing pattern is, when it becomes more powerful, and how to use it inside the system, and tools that help you with faster identification and easier execution. Remember, use engulfing as a part of your strategy, not as your main trading concept. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment what topics you would like to learn next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.